किस ग्राउंड पे है अपील?
मतलब इन्वॉल्वमेंट इज डिस्प्यूटेड।
बताइए क्या एविडेंस है?
जी, इंसिडेंट है टेकन प्लेस माय लॉर्ड ऑन 24th January 2009।
24 जनवरी 2009।
Yes. FIR is dated 8th March 2009, my lord.
इंसिडेंट
FIR is
FIR.
after 44 days, my lord. And in FIR, the unknown vehicle was mentioned.
अच्छा,
And thereafter, my lord, because of for want of involvement and for want of evidence,
जी.
Atma was recorded.
जी
And thereafter, my lord, it was reopened. Kindly see, my lord, FIR. Lord, मैं थाना, firstly, my lord, this person who died, he was working in police department.
क्या शुभ नाम है?
उनका नाम है सर
मेहरबान सिंह।
मेहरबान।
जी। मैं थाना सोहागपुर,
कोर्ट इनके पर मेहरबान हो गया
दैट इज नॉट
है। मेहरबान सिंह जी FIR करिए।
जी, मैं थाना सोहागपुर में प्रधान आरक्षक के पद पर पदस्थ हूँ तथा सिमरी रात्रि में कारित हूँ। मैं दिनांक 24/1/2009 को 7:30 बजे उमेश पटेल के साथ हाल सेमरी ने चौकी पर सूचना दिया कि एक अज्ञात आरक्षक गाड़ी स्लिप किसी अज्ञात वाहन से टक्कर लगने से बेहोशी की हालत में पुलिस के पास पड़ा है, जिसके और कुछ पाया गया लिखा, जिसमें मेहरबान सिंह सेमरिया बताया 24/1/8 को जांच पर चलाने पर जो प्रथम it's not legible in my intimation and रोजनामचा साना also
अगेंस्ट अननोन व्हीकल।
जी
जी
जो रोजनामचा साना है सर, इसमें भी यही रिकॉर्ड किया है
ठीक है,
कि
फिर
सूचना
हाथ वाला काम इन्होंने।
अज्ञात आरक्षक गाड़ी स्लिप हो जाने से
जी।
घायल ने पेट्रोल पंप में पड़ा है।
तो ज्ञान कहाँ से आया? गाड़ी का ज्ञान कहाँ से प्राप्त हुआ इनको?
सर वही
आई विटनेस इज देयर मैडम।
कौन सा आई विटनेस है ये?
पैरा 11 में काइंडली बेसिक।
पैरा 11 नहीं, आपका आई विटनेस का नाम
आई
है, उसका
विटनेस
evidence
यशपाल।
पढ़िए।
यशपाल
यशपाल के एविडेंस पढ़िए।
मैं यशपाल सिंह उम्र 26 वर्ष को शपथ पूर्वक करता हूँ। यह कि दिनांक 24/1/2009 को समय करीब 7:30 बजे शाम सेमरी हरचंद के पास नदी की पुलिया पर मेन रोड पर जीप क्रमांक MP041866 के चालक द्वारा तेजी एवं लापरवाही से चलाकर एक व्यक्ति को टक्कर मार दी थी, जिससे वह गंभीर रूप से घायल हो गया और रोड के साइड में गिर गया था। दुर्घटना मेरे सामने हुई थी। मैं ग्राम सेमरी से अपने गांव गुराडिया आ रहा था। मैंने गाड़ी का नंबर देख लिया था और मुझे बाद में पता चला कि वह घायल व्यक्ति पुलिस वाला था और उसका नाम मेहरबान सिंह परिहार था। यह की घटना की जानकारी के लिए पुलिस मेरे पास आई थी और मैंने पुलिस को बताया था कि टक्कर मारने वाली गाड़ी का नंबर सो एंड सो है और जीप महिंद्रा कंपनी की थी। मैं ये शपथ अपनी गवाही के मुख्य प्रदर्शन में संपादित कर रहा हूँ।
ये तो फर्जी है पूरा का, प्लांटेड है ये।
जी
प्लांटेड कर रहा है ये।
नहीं सर, ये
खुद कह रहा है क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में।
जी मैं
घटना स्थल से मैं करीब 100-150
फीट की दूरी पर था।
जी।
मैंने दुर्घटना
जनवरी का महीना है।
जी सर।
जी
मैं मृतक मेहरबान सिंह को नहीं जानता था। दुर्घटना के समय में मैं अपने गांव के लिए सिमरी से आ रहा
करने
था।
वाले वाहन का नंबर इसको याद है,
दुर्घटना स्थल में
तारीख याद नहीं है।
सर याद है।
बहुत बढ़िया किया उसने।
दुर्घटना स्थल में मैं करीब 100 से 150 फीट की दूरी पर था। मैंने दुर्घटना 100-150 फीट की दूरी से देखी थी।
अरे क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में फिर ये आ गया।
मुझे दुर्घटना की तारीख आज याद नहीं है, परंतु सन 2009 का है।
वकील साहब
सर
ये एग्जामिनेशन इन चीफ में बोल रहा है कि घटना की जानकारी के लिए पुलिस मेरे पास आई थी, और क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में बोलता है ये कहना सही है कि मैं आज आवेदिका के कहने पर गवाही देने आया हूँ।
घटना के बाद यह कहना चाहिए कि मैं आवेदन के कहने पर गवाही देने आया हूँ। मुझे कोई न्यायालय का नोटिस नहीं मिला। यह कहना गलत है कि आवेदन को अधिक सत्य मिले, इसलिए मैं ड्यूटी गवाही दे रहा हूँ। मतलब बट ही हैज नॉट बीन डेप्यूटेड सो फार एज ही हैज सीन द।
अरे भाई मैं भी मालूम है कैसे क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन होता है।
एंड बर्डन।
अरे भाई पूरे हिंदुस्तान में 145 करोड़ आबादी है, उस समय करीब 100 करोड़ तो रही होगी 2009 में। आपको एक आदमी कैसे मिल जाता है जो कि कहता है कि मैंने घटना देखी, वो भी कई महीने बाद? इतनी मेहरबानी हिंदुस्तान में कब से इतनी दया दृष्टि आ गई है?
There may be cases where there is no eyewitness, but burden of proof has not been discharged by the
चलिए
1981 Supreme Court 1281 में kindly begin. Who would fail if no evidence is left? That is the burden of proof test. They have not called the IO.
You are required to show how you contacted this person. Now come to your evidence.
Yes, sir.
Evidence of the claimant.
Yes.
यशपाल सिंह कैसे उनके संपर्क में आया? श्रीमती मंजू परिहार की एविडेंस पढ़िएगा।
जी।
मंजू परिहार
जी। उस पर लड़के की भी है सर।
हाँ,
मैं पुलिस से होशंगाबाद में सरकारी क्वार्टर में निवास करती हूँ।
मतलब नहीं, जो रिलेवेंट है वो पढ़िएगा कि हाउ शी केम इन कांटेक्ट विद यशपाल। यशपाल के बारे में उसने क्या कहा है, बस इतना बता दीजिए आप।
सर मैंने अपना शपथ पत्र पूरा पढ़ लिया है। दुर्घटना दिनांक 23
मतलब नहीं है वकील साहब, आप दाएं बाएं पढ़ने से you will not succeed in this court. You have to read pinpointedly what she has said about Yashpal Singh, because Yashpal Singh says that he has come to the court at the instance of the claimant. जब चीफ ने उसने यशपाल के बारे में कुछ कहा ही नहीं, he was required to inform that Yashpal had given her the number of the vehicle, because Yashpal says that he had come to the court at the instance of the claimant.
मेहरबान सिंह मतलब by the delay has occasion he died on 7/3/2009.
Delay is one thing different. I'm not on to delay.
Yes.
I'm about the, even in the FIR which was recorded on 8/3/2009,
Right.
after 44 days, there is no mention of the car, vehicle number. Now, this man Yashpal says that he has come to the court, he had seen the incident, he has come to the court at the instance of the claimant. Now, what does claimant say about this Yashpal? That when did she meet Yashpal, how she met Yashpal, when did he give number of the vehicles, when did she inform? ओनस तो आप ही के ऊपर है, जजमेंट आप ही के विरुद्ध है ये जो आप बता रहे हैं. इतना तो बर्डन आप डिस्चार्ज करेंगे. मिसप्लेस सिंपैथी कैन नॉट बी अ ग्राउंड टू अवॉर्ड कंपनसेशन. लाइए जजमेंट दीजिए आपका. दिस अपील इज फाइल्ड बाय द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी बीइंग एग्रीव्ड ऑफ द अवार्ड शेटेड 9/11/2010 passed by learned additional motor accident claims tribunal Hoshangabad in claim case number 12 of 2010 Srimati Manju Parihar and others versus Feroz Khan and others on the ground that accident took place on 24/1/2009. FIR was lodged on 8/3/2009 against an unknown vehicle, that is after delay of 44 days. Thereafter, in the investigation, closure report was filed as no clue of any vehicle was given. Thereafter, falsely vehicle insured with the present appellant bearing number
MP04J 1866 my love.
MP04J 1866 has been implicated. Full stop. It is submitted that there is there is an interesting chronology of events. Deceased Meherban Singh was a police personnel. Full stop. In the FIR exhibit P2 PHF, exhibit P1, it is mentioned that incident took place on 24/1/2009. Information was received at the police station on 8/3/2009, whereas Meherban Singh died while taking treatment on 7/3/2009. Full stop. FIR was lodged against an unknown vehicle. Full stop. In the FIR itself, it is mentioned that intimation was received that a person in injured condition was lying on the road and he was identified as Meherban Singh. Case was registered under section 279-337 IPC. Full stop. What is interesting is that in the FIR, section 304 within bracket B has been scored out. Full stop. After death, when intimation was received, then why section 304 was scored out is not understandable. Full stop. Thus, FIR prima facie reveals that manipulation was being done to help the claimants because they happen to be relatives of an employee of the police department. Next paragraph. In the final report dated 26/12/2009, there is a mention of गाड़ी का number है क्या इसमें?
So it has MP04J 1866.
Final report dated
This is
26/12/2009. Offending vehicle was implicated. Full stop. The sole witness to support the accident with the offending vehicle is Yashpal Singh, son of Lalit Singh Bhadoria, resident of Guradia, Tehsil Babai, district Hoshangabad. He deposed that on 24/1/2009 at about 7:30 p.m. he was travelling. He had seen accident taking place at Gram Semri Harchand near Culvert on the river when Jeep number MP04J 1866 had hit a unknown person. As a result, he was grievously injured and had fallen on the side of the road. Full stop. He has deposed that accident took place in front of him. He was travelling from village Semri to his village Gulkatia. He had seen the vehicle number and later on discovered that injured was Meherban Singh Parihar. Full stop. In para 2 of his examination in chief, he has deposed that police had come to him to take information and then he had informed the police about the number of the vehicle. It was a Mahindra Jeep. Full stop. In cross-examination, there is a glaring contradiction. He has admitted that he was not knowing Meherban Singh. Full stop. He has admitted that he had seen incident from a distance of 100-150 feet. Full stop. Mrs. Rupra submits that in a winter evening at 7:30 p.m. visibility is as such low and number of the vehicle could not have been seen from a distance of 100-150 feet. Full stop. इसको झूठ भी बोलना ढंग से नहीं आया. Full stop. This witness admits that he is not remembering the date of the incident, but it was of the year 2009. Full stop. Then he has admitted that he had not taken the disease to the hospital. Full stop. He has admitted that he had not stopped at the place of the incident after witnessing the incident. Full stop. He has further admitted in para 6 of his cross-examination that he has come to court at the instance of the claimant to give his evidence. He has not received any notice from the court. He had not received any notice from the court. Full stop. Thus, it is evident that this witness has been planted. Full stop. There is no description of this witness in the evidence of Srimati Manju Parihar. Otherwise, she should have corroborated that how she came in contact with this witness, Yashpal Singh, and how and when he narrated the details of the incident and when they were given to the police, full stop. There is not a single word said about this witness in the examination in chief of Srimati Manju Parihar, full stop. Thus, it is evident that this witness is a planted witness. In a population of several lakhs in a district, finding an unknown person who had not stopped after witnessing the incident, who had not approached the police to report about the incident, tracing a person out of several lakh persons appears to be improbable, full stop. Thus, this court has no hesitation to hold that Yashpal Singh is a planted witness, full stop. Since police was interested in helping the family of the deceased, therefore they planted him so to obtain compensation in favor of the family of the victim. Therefore, when examined in the light of the evidence of Manju Singh and that of Yashpal Singh, it is evident that it's a case of false implication. There is no cogent evidence to point out that accident had taken place with vehicle MP 04J 1866, full stop. Thus, the impugned award, having been passed on surmises and conjectures, deserves to be set aside and is hereby set aside. Appeal is allowed and disposal of record of the tribunal be set. Three, Kapil Patwardhan has placed reliance on the judgment of Supreme Court in Narchinwa versus Kamath and another AIR 1985 SC 1281, wherein it is submitted that, relying on which it is submitted that whenever any breach is alleged, then burden to prove is on the person who is alleging the breach, full stop. In the present case, this judgment will cut other way. When it is alleged that accident was seen by Yashpal Singh, PW2, then burden was on the claimant to prove that how they came in contact with Yashpal Singh, who had not reported the matter to any of the authorities and who admitted in cross-examination that he had come to the court at the instance of the claimant to give evidence. Therefore, this judgment in case of Narchinwa versus Kamath will be of no assistance to the claimants and therefore has full stop. बस उसको खारिज कर दीजिएगा.